So now the PDCP and PDU is used to both the control and user planner to transport a higher layer packets. It is associated to convey the either user plane data containing a compressed or uncompressed, means whatever the data we want to use to convey either user plan or data containing, means it may be whatever the information is there, that information is how to it is transport or users, compressed or uncompressed through internet protocols. It may be packet or control panel data containing a 1 RRC radio resource control messages is there. The authentication code for integrity MAC1, field of integrity protection which will be described. So PDCP and control PDU is used only within the user plan to convey a PDCP status reporting during the handover and feedback information for header compressions. So what is the meaning of this one? Means if you used both in a control within the user panel plane to convey a PDCP status report during the handover and feedback information for header compression, that is unlike a PDCP data, PDU and PDCP control, PDU does not carry any higher layer SDU, but rather is used for peer-to-peer signaling between the PDCP and entities. Means if we have to pass the information, it is to the peer-to-peer, means it is one by one. The construction of a PDCP, see this figure is there. According to this figure, the construction of PDC here, the initial data, whatever the data is there, that ensure the digital to conversion is we are using. It is control panel, PDCP and PDU. According to this is the MAC layer is there. So PDCP and PDU format for user panel and control plane is there. So here now comes to the two types of there. One is the header compression and integrity cipher. So now it is the header compression and integrity means whatever the information is comes, it may be compressed or decompression. Already we are discussing. Now comes to the integrity and a ciphering. Whatever the information is there, that information you have to integrate it. You will get the proper information to pass one channel to another channel. And ciphering means if you required some keys to pass the information, means it is coded and it is decoded, then it is decoded to pass the information one channel to another channel. Now another topic is there, that is MAC and RLC overlay. MAC, radio link control is there, MAC access control is there. We discuss them together in the section. RLC layers means radio link control layer is there, that performs the segmentation and or concatenation of PDCP and PDU based on the size indicated by the MAC. See what is the main function of in this MAC in a RLC. It is radio link control performs means segmentation, means whatever the information or data, information is nothing but it is the data, that data we have to segmentation it, means it is divided, or concatenation on means it is passed PDCP, PDU based on the size indicated by the MAC. RLC also records the RLC PDUs once they are received out of order possible due to HARQ process in the MAC layers. Means higher rating quality is there. According to that quality, we have to pass the information through some nodes. E node or another one is E node functions will be there. So data transfer. So this is the one of the session is there. Next session will continue the some topic is there. According to that, you have to pass the informations. Thank you. Next topic will continue next class. Okay, thank you.